You can go.
Once upon a time, there was a little girl called Little Red Riding Hood. She always wore a bright red hood. I love my hood. She lived with her mother in a cottage at the edge of the deep, dark woods. One day, Little Red Riding Hood's mother gave her a pot of worm soup.
Take this to your grandmother's on the way to the other side. Woods. But remember, the rules of the woods.
I promise. And off she went. Skippity skip, skippity skip, skippity skip. Oh, what a lovely day. Good afternoon, Little Riding Hood. Good afternoon, Little Riding Woodcutter. Little Red Riding Hood walked deeper and deeper into the deep, dark woods. It grew darker and darker, so Little Red Riding Hood didn't see the wolf waiting for her on the path, and neither did the wolf see Little Red Riding Hood. Little Red Riding Hood stumbled straight onto the wolf. Ow! Oof! Oof! What do you think you are doing in the middle of the path? You need me to fill my grandmother's warm soup.
Can't see the wolf, guys. Hold it up a little.
Wolves only eat juicy red meat.
Little Red Riding Hood totally forgot the rule of the woods. Don't talk to wolves. The wolf was about to eat Little Red Riding Hood when he just had a good idea.
First, I'll eat her grandmother. Then I'll eat Red Riding Hood.
And where does dear Granny live? In the cottage on the other side of the woods. The wolf raced to the cottage and knocked on the door.
Tap, tap, tap.
Come in. The wolf leaped into the room and gobbled up the Red Riding Hood's mother in 1 second flat.
Tasty, but not bad.
Then he pulled on her cap, jumped into her bed, and waited for Little Red Riding Hood. Soon there was a knock on the door. Tap, tap, tap. Come in. Little Red Riding Hood looked at her grandmother and looked again. Oh, Granny, what big ears you have.
Oh, no better hear you with. Oh, no better hear you with.
Oh, Granny, what big eyes you have. Oh, they're better to hear you with. Oh, Granny, what big teeth you have.
Better to eat you with.
In one jump, the wolf gobbled up Little Red Riding Hood.
Delicious.
Then fell fast asleep. As he slept, he snored very loud. What's going on? Wonders the woodcutter. He ate in that poor old woman, cried the woodcutter. He picked up some scissors and snapped open the wolf's tummy. Snippity snap, snippity snap. Out popped Little Red Riding Hood and her grandmother too. Quickly, as Little Red Riding Hood picked up some stones and piled them in the wolf's tummy, when the wolf woke up, he tried to sneak out the door.
Rattle, rattle, rattle.
But the stones rattled and rattled and rattled inside him. Now everyone can hear me coming. I'll never catch another person. Exactly. You just have to eat vegetables instead. The wolf was never able to eat another person.
Warm soup.
As for Little Red Riding Hood, she never talked to the wolf again. The end.
Good job, guys.